Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to recover deleted photos on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to recover your deleted photos on your iPhone, first open up the Photos app on your iPhone, and after opening your Photos app guys, now from over here, in order to recover your deleted photos, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see there is the albums option available for us. Tap on that albums option and you'll be on the album section of your photos or videos on your iPhone. And now in order to proceed to recover your deleted photos, scroll down until you can find the recently deleted options available for us. Tap on that recently deleted and let's verify us. And over here guys, you'll be able to see the deleted photos and videos over here. Now to recover your deleted photos on your iPhone, open the photo which you want to recover on your iPhone, and after opening the photo by tapping on it, you can see there is the recover button available for us at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on that recover button and tap on recover photo again, and that photo will be available or recovered on the library section of your iPhone. And this was the photo guys. So there guys, this is how you recover your deleted photos on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.